Marahiya, presented by Eleazar Harash. A secret guides you. If you have embarked with striving towards your master, you shall overcome the difficulties. You shall overcome the delusions. You shall overcome the fogs. Because, I say to you, my friend, a secret guides you, a secret within you, and a secret behind you. There is nothing in the universe that has withstood against determination, because this determination is a fire, lit by the One, and behind this fire, behind this determination, is the long, invisible, and unfathomable hand of the Master.